This is Peter Thomson. I'm the President of the General Assembly of the United Nations, and tomorrow is the start of the Ocean Conference, the great gathering of humanity to address the problems of the ocean. The health of the ocean, as you know, is in dire straits, from marine pollution to declining fish stocks, degraded coastal ecosystems, to the lack of governance out on the high seas. We have work to do. Humanity has work to do to correct all the woes that we have placed upon the ocean. So starting tomorrow, under the co-presidency of Fiji and Sweden, we have the Prime Minister of Fiji here and the Deputy Prime Minister of Sweden, who will be presiding over this great meeting. We will be hearing from the best of global authorities on what the real problems of the ocean are, what the truth is in all these various areas that I've mentioned of pollution and fish stocks and governance. And we will also be having the best of global authorities present to give us the solutions, the work plan for what we're going to do ahead to fix those woes. I'm very proud as a Fijian that in the General Assembly Hall tomorrow morning, to open the conference, there will be a traditional Fijian ceremony. There will be a full Vengaravi Wakaturanga taking place with the bowl going to the Secretary General of the United Nations, Antonio Guterres. This will be the first time that the Fijian ceremonies have been performed inside the General Assembly Hall, and it will be a very historic moment for our country. I'm very proud of that, and I'm very proud that Fiji is here to work on ocean action. And then the Prime Minister, of course, will be moving on to take on the climate presidency as well. Climate action, ocean action, these are the two imperatives of our time for the 21st century. If we don't meet these challenges, then our grandchildren's security will be in jeopardy. So we're doing the responsible thing, and I think that this is a time when all Fijians can be proud of our role. Namalu.